Hello everyone, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this, tie it as shown in the video. Now after that, roll the hairs as shown here and then take all the hairs and then take small section of it from the sides. Now join it in the between to make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now again repeat the process for few more times and fix it. Tie the hairs properly till the end in the same manner. You have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and keep fixing it like this. Now take it till the end and tie the hairs continuously and repeat the process. Fix it one by one as we are tying here and your hairstyle will be ready. So just take the hairs like this and then fix it till the end and you are good to go. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and make a ponytail like this. Fix it and make a high ponytail on the hairs like this as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be fixing the hairs by dividing them into two parts and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now after rotating the hairs, tie the hairs together on the top and make a bun and fix it with the rubber band like this. So now after that, spread the hairs. Now we'll be taking the hairs again and divide it from the between and rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it over the bun like this. Now spread the hairs on the sides, fold it and fix it with the hairpin. Fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the hairpins like this and fix it. Put the baby hairs with the help of the hair clip and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this from the sides, tie it on the back and fix it with the rubber band like this. So now tie the half of the hairs and put the hair ponytail like this on the back by tying it. Now after that, we'll be fixing the hairs by dividing them into two parts, divide it from the between like this and then fold it like this from the between and rotate it. So now after rotating it, fix the hairs into each other and tie it on the top like this. So now after tying the hairs, put the hair rubber band over the hairs and tie it like this. Make a ponytail. Now after that, fix the hairs, stretch it little bit from the sides like this to give it a shape of a bow properly. Now spread it little bit. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this. So tie the hairs as shown in the video and fix the hairs. Now after that, divide the hairs into two parts, divide them from the between and then rotate it. So now after rotating the hairs, we'll be putting the hairs into each other and then fix it like this. So now after fixing the hairs, put the rubber band like this, tie it. Now again fix the hairs into each other. Now again divide the hairs from the between. So repeat the process till the end for few more times and in the same manner you have to tie the hairs like this till the end. Fix it properly and tie it from the ends by folding it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. We'll be showing you some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Thanks for watching our video page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Thanks for watching our video.